Welcome back to e-autospots.com, and this is Jimmy talking to you. Let's check out some Grimmspeed intercooler and intercooler piping today. Okay, I gotta show you this. Very nice packaging. Yeah, this is nice. License plate, stickers, warranty card, and of course, this is going to be a bar and plate intercooler. The intercooler brackets looks cool. Intercooler piping as well, very nice packaging. Everything is nicely packed together. You see the hardware, the clamps and stuff. It's like candy bag. Couplers with the Grimmspeed logo, couple layers, what, 4, 5? The charge pipe looks fantastic. Look at this wrinkle black with the logo. Nice. And of course, bead road. Smooth. Look at this. Ooh. Bracket has a Grimmspeed logo here. Alright, thanks for watching this video, and if you are interested in purchasing a set for your Subaru, hit us up on e-autospots.com and we will help you out. See you in the next video. Bye.